Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to enter the BIOS on a computer running Windows 11. First, click on the Windows icon, then select Settings from the menu. When the Settings window opens, look for the option called System in the left panel. Click on System, then scroll down and select Recovery. In the Recovery page, find the section called Advanced Startup. This lets you restart your computer in a special mode. Click the button that says Restart Now. Your computer will begin to restart. After a short moment, you will see a blue screen with several options. Use your mouse or keyboard to select Troubleshoot. Then choose Advanced Options. From here, look for UEFI firmware settings. This is the option that takes you directly into the BIOS. Select it and then click Restart. The computer will restart one more time and open the BIOS menu. Thanks for watching.